Welcome back to the DUI channel. We are in Pepper Pike, Ohio, where on April 4th, 2020 at 5:06 a.m., Pepper Pike police discovered a utility pole with power lines down across the roadway at Lander Circle and Pine Tree Road. A short distance away, a vehicle with heavy damage to the front tires and grille was found in a parking lot next to the UPS store. The sole occupant in the vehicle was observed looking down into their phone. The officer managed to climb through brush and approach the vehicle from afar as his investigation begins.
What's going on, man? How you doing? What happened? Why don't you get off the phone?
Yeah, I'm trying to get my guy to tow my car to Mayfield to whereupon.
Okay. So what happened?
Oh, yeah, well, my car is just, it was messed up anyway. So
Okay.
I accidentally, I gotta get my guy to tow it so I can get to work tomorrow. That's my main thing.
So what'd you hit?
I think I just hit a little.
You can just go ahead and put the phone down.
Well, I hit a little ditch. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to go to work. I work for the
Okay.
in Cleveland, right?
Okay.
So what I'm trying to do is get my guy to tow my car to home.
Did you fall asleep?
No.
Okay. So your car's really messed up, okay? Your car's are off the rims. Alright. You hit that telephone pole over there.
Hey, telephone pole.
Yeah. Do you have anything to drink tonight?
Just a little bit of sip.
A little sip?
Yeah, I ain't drunk, man. I work for the.
Okay.
I work with veterans. I have a very
Alright.
essential mission.
Can you do a couple tests for me then?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see your fingers. Watch what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. You do that?
Yeah.
Touch your fingers together.
2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
I
Alright.
ain't drunk, man. What I'm trying to
No,
do is get
I got you.
to work.
I got you. I just see what happened over here. I got to figure out what's going on, okay? The next test. Can you know your alphabet?
Yeah.
All right. Can you start at the letter D and end at the letter T?
D, F, E, G, H, I, J, H, I, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Okay. You know your numbers?
Yeah.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7.
Okay. All right. Can you count backwards, starting at 84 to 69?
84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68. Yeah, I got that. I'm not drunk, man.
Okay.
What happened?
I get an odor of an alcoholic beverage coming from your person.
Yeah, but it's not much. But the thing is,
How many drinks do you think you had?
just 2.
What time you think it is right now?
Oh, what time?
You don't have to look. What time you start work?
Well, I gotta get to work about 6 o'clock.
6216
Okay.
327.
I don't have my ID with me, but I'm a veteran.
Parked in the lot. Henry Charlie.
So I'm calling my guy now
Okay.
to tow my car
Okay.
to repair it because
And
it's
just saw the police
essential.
cars at the circle.
I got you.
Not this other vehicle.
I got you.
These times it's essential that I get to work.
Okay.
Right.
What's your social? What's your name? Where do you live? You know where you're at right now?
That's the owner of the car.
Where's drop my son off here? I have to pick my
What?
son up.
Where are you at right now?
Solon?
Solon? Okay. What road do you think you're on?
Well, I think I'm on.
Yeah.
Well, I told my tow truck driver to come to the UPS store.
Okay. On what road?
I just told him to stop. I just told him where I'm going.
In Solon.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not drunk.
I got you, man.
Go to work tomorrow.
All right. Got your shoes tied up?
Yeah, I had to. I'm suicide.
Okay. All right. Can you come out? Step out for me. All right. You face that way. I'm not. I'm just patting you down for weapons. You got nothing on you?
No.
Okay.
Like I say, I work for the federal. I'm a federal.
No, I got you. I got you, man.
I'm a federal.
I'm just doing my job. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I got you. All right.
But the thing is, I have to get. It's a situation.
No, I got you. I got you. You stand over here?
Yeah.
All right. Can you put your feet together? Arms on your sides? Okay. Can you see the tip of my finger? You see the tip of my finger? Arms down at your sides, please. Okay? Can you see the tip of my finger? You see it?
Yeah.
Follow it with your eyes only,
Yeah.
not moving your head, okay?
Yeah.
Stop moving your head, okay? Keep, all right? You're not watching it.
Yeah, I'm watching. I'm watching what you're doing.
Equal track. You gotta keep watching, all right, man?
I got you, bro.
All right. Okay? Watch it. All right? Sir, I can't.
Yeah, I see.
We're gonna have to move on the next part of the
the
test if you can't see. You're not watching. You're looking past. Okay.
I'm looking at you.
All right. That's fine. All right. Next test. All right. You stand right here. Okay. Actually, can you come over here? This one right here. All right. Put your left foot on the line right here. Face that way towards the cruiser. All right. Face this way towards the cruiser. Put your left foot on the line. Put your right foot in front of it, heel to toe. Okay. Left foot's on the line. Okay. Arms on your sides. Okay. You all right? All right. Heel to toe. All right. Arms down at your sides. Arms down at your sides. Hold this position while I explain the instructions, okay? When I tell you to begin, from this position, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps down the line, okay? It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on down to 9. When you reach your 9th step, you're going to turn. You understand me?
Yeah.
Okay. You're just staring at the ground. Okay. When
When
you reach your...
I gotta get to work.
Okay.
I'm a federal
I got you. I got you.
employee.
Arms down at your sides.
We have to get to the hospital tomorrow.
Let me just finish this test, all right?
I got
Okay?
you, bro.
All right.
I got you.
So your left foot's on the line, right foot in front of it.
Yeah.
Arms down at your sides. Hold this position, all right? When I tell you to begin, 9 steps down the line. Okay? 1, 2, 3. When you reach your 9th step, you're going to turn, make a series of small steps, turn back down, 1, 2, down, 9, back down, okay? Keep your arms down at your sides, watch your feet at all time, count your steps out loud. You understand the instructions?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You-
6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Do you understand the
Yeah, I
instructions?
got you.
Okay.
I got
You may begin. Okay. Arms down at your sides.
3,
Up
4,
the line.
5, 6,
Arms down at your sides.
7, 8, 9. Turn around. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Not heel to toe, stepping off. Okay. All right, we'll go to the next test. Okay? All right. Arms, feet together. Arms down at your sides. Hold this position while I explain the instructions, okay?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, I've
When
been
I
in
tell
the military.
I got you, me too, man.
Yeah, I'm trying.
All right.
Trying to get
I
to
got
work.
you. I got you.
That's all I'm trying.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. You're going to hold this position while I explain the instructions. When I tell you to do so, you're going to take either foot of your choosing and raise it parallel off the ground. You're going to count 1001, 1002, 1003 until I tell you to stop. Okay? You're going to keep your arms on your sides, watch your foot, count out loud. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You understand these instructions? Okay, I can explain them again if you need me to. Okay, you may begin. Arms down at your sides.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009.
Okay. You good?
Yeah.
All right. All right, I got another test for you, all right? All right. Can you go ahead and put your hands behind your back? All right? All right. You're on.
Government employee.
I got you, man.
Man, I
but
gotta
you
get
still-
to work and feed these people tomorrow.
All right, but I
on,
believe
man?
you're physically impaired. You crashed your vehicle right there, taking down that power line.
Power line, man. Oh man, I gotta feed these people tomorrow, man. I gotta
I
go
get
to
that's
work
late.
tomorrow, man. What's going on?
Yeah.
Oh my God, man, what's going on?
Yeah.
Man, I gotta feed these people tomorrow, man. Ain't nobody drunk, man.
Stand by.
What the hell going on? Huh?
Man, your car is messed up.
Well, I mean, I
This is
that
ri-
and that.
all three
Ain't
of your.
nobody trying to.
You have 4 flat tires, okay? 4 flat tires. Off the rim. That pole is down right over there, okay?
Man, ain't nobody trying to go through
Yeah,
this,
my
man.
car's
I
on
gotta
the road.
feed these guys, man, tomorrow, man. I'm a federal government.
Hey, Owen, can we house? Hey. Okay, we're good? No, we're good.
Oh, man, you gotta be kidding me, man. I done lived in Europe, man, universal healthcare system, and y'all wanna do this, bud? In this country, we wanna go here. Oh, man, y'all trying to around. What we doing?
We're going over to my car.
Man, I'm
I don't know if
trying
we're
to
gonna get
to
through
the
this.
PDs, veterans, World War II veterans, Vietnam veterans. I'm a Cold War veteran.
I got you.
Y'all, man, I'm highly educated, man. We're doing this bud for something bud. I'm just trying to get home, man. And we gonna do this. This country up. We lacking a universal health care system. Sending trillions
Careful,
of
watch your
dollars.
step. Watch your
And
step.
if you're in Switzerland accounts, man, y'all with the wrong person, man.
All right.
What you doing here? I gotta feed these veterans tomorrow.
Just doing our job, man.
Man, this motherfucker. What you doing? You trying to take me where?
You're going to the Beachwood jail, okay?
I'm going to jail,
Yes.
and I got to call
You'll
off
have a-
tomorrow, and I can't feed these veterans who's
This
protecting this country.
Is that mine? Yeah.
And we weakening our democracy system with this stupid. Oh man, come on, man. Man, come on, what we doing? And I got legal shield, legal protection. I got to call my lawyers in Columbus for the stupid week.
Get to the car. I got something to read you.
Man, come on, man.
Watch your step.
I got all this, man. I see all this. What y'all doing?
On this side.
So what you doing?
What?
What you doing?
We're going to the Beachwood jail, all right?
For what?
I'm going to pull out and search you completely right now.
You can search me, man.
Okay.
I'm good, man. Man, this week, I'm calling my people in Europe.
Step
man,
over
what
here.
the? It's so weak. Man, y'all from Europe, right? Second we do it, man. Come
Oh, yeah,
on, man. Come on, man. Y'all the wrong dude.
All right, you got $10 right here.
10 $1 worth of billion. Man, come on, man. What we doing? What we doing?
See that?
What you looking for?
I'm searching you. You're under.
Are you looking for drugs or something?
No, dude. I'm doing
Man,
a
let me go
normal-
home. Let me get my. I gotta feed these vets. World War II vets, Vietnam vets, Korean vets. I'm a federal government employee. Now I'm trying to get to feed these dudes. Man, this is
337, that driver's in custody.
Come on, man.
Copy that,
Come
538.
on, man.
I got
Y'all bigger than this. They send them trillions overseas and Switzerland accounts. And y'all want to do this?
In the house.
Y'all want to weak y'all do this? No,
Alright, I'm putting this stuff back in your pocket.
I'm from Europe, man.
You see this? Your cash going right back in your pocket, alright?
Well, how much? Millions of dollars?
No.
What was it?
It was like $12, I believe. Alright.
I can't go home, man, so I can get some.
Yeah.
Man, come on, man. Y'all gotta be food. I can't go ahead and feed these dudes. Oh, so we go with.
Have a seat.
Come on, man. I gotta go to work in the morning.
Alright.
We worth trillions, man.
Putting this belt on you, alright?
Man.
You lean back. Just doing our job, dude.
Oh, man. Nah, man. I gotta roll. Y'all
I got you.
slowing up.
Alright.
Y'all slowing this.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to.
What we doing?
You have a right to talk to a lawyer and have one present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any
Man,
questioning.
what about my ride, man? I gotta get it to my mechanic, man.
If you can decide at any
Man,
time to
I ain't got no
exercise these
time
rights
for
and not questions
Man, I gotta
or
get
make
to
any
my
statements.
mechanic, man. I ain't,
Do you understand
man,
each of these rights
man,
as
let's
I have?
just move
Do you
along.
understand these rights?
Man, let's just move along.
Understand these rights?
Man, I don't care about
Yes
these
or no?
rights. Let's just
All right,
do
you
what
don't
we
care.
gotta do, man. Let's
Okay.
go, man.
All right.
I gotta feed these vets tomorrow, man.
The suspect was arrested for operating a vehicle under the influence, or OVI. He was transported to the Beachwood Municipal Complex Jail for further processing and consented to taking a breath alcohol test.
Remember, steady, deep breath, and then blow. Blow, 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 blow. Keep blowing. Blow, 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 blow. Keep blowing. Okay.
Good.
All right, step back.
The breath test yielded a result of 0.154 grams of alcohol per 210 liters of breath. The suspect, Charles, was ultimately charged with driving without reasonable control, fleeing the scene of an accident or hit skip, and 2 separate charges relating to OVI. On October 7, 2020, the defendant pled guilty to hit skip and one of the OVI charges. He was ordered to pay a total of $1,644.30. This amount has been paid in full. The defendant was further sentenced to 3 days in jail with 27 days suspended, 36 months of probation, and received a 365-day license suspension. On May 12, 2022, 1 year, 7 months, and 5 days after sentencing, Charles' probation became inactive due to serving 3 days in jail.